Morning everyone, I Razia Pathan from Gnanmajhi Vidyalaya standard 4. So students, in the previous lecture में हम लोगों ने सीखा था our chapter unit number 5 introduction of the fractions. So in that whole and part already we learn about that, right? You know how to what is the whole and what is the part किसको बोलेंगे, whole किसको बोलेंगे. Also I'll explain about the 1/4 and 3/4. Also, I'll explain about the 1/4 and 3/4. We'll complete. Already we have completed worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4 जो है वो भी हमारी complete हो गई है, right? So today we'll start worksheet number 5, page number 9. That worksheet according to 1/4 and 3/4. ये वर्कशीट में हमें क्या समझना है, व्हाट वी लर्न अबाउट दैट 1/4 एंड 3/4 क्या है वो हम सीखेंगे. ठीक है. सो पहले हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा था, व्हाट वी लर्न अबाउट दैट कि कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, व्हाट एवर ऑब्जेक्ट इज है, ठीक है, वो वॉल है, उसमें से हाफ कैसे करते हैं, राइट? पार्ट और हाफ, व्हाट एवर इज दैट हाफ. वर्कशीट नंबर 4 में हम लोगों ने हाफ सीखा था. नाउ टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द 1/4 एंड 3/4 that we have to learn. Okay, so let's start worksheet number 5, page number 9. I hope so students you all are having with your with workbook, pencil, sharpener and eraser. ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों के पास होगी. So we'll start that. Okay students, look at this. See 1/4 and 3/4. So in that shaded the following figures as per the fractions written in the block. Now here different blocks are here. In the first block, first of all we'll observe the object. What we observe first, we'll observe the object. So here which shape is this? This one is a rectangle, and here in the block here is a written 1/4. 1/4, that means we'll have to shade only one part. How many part will shaded here? One part, because of the 1/4. 1/4 means यहाँ पे rectangle के how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4 part are here, right? And here is a written 1/4. That means we have to shade only one part. So I'll shade this one. आपको जो भी पार्ट अच्छा लगे आप शेड कर सकते हो, ठीक है. मैंने जो शेड किया है वो ही आप शेड करो, वो नहीं है आपको जो भी whatever पार्ट आपको अच्छा लगता है. But you have to shade only one part because already they are saying to us 1/4. What they are saying to us? 1/4. Okay. Now see, this one is completed. 1/4. Now 3/4. Second one is the hexagon is here. 3/4. Right? So what we have to do? 3 part we have to shade it. आपको जो भी साइड के 3 पार्ट शेड करने आप लोग शेड कर सकते हो, ठीक है. मुझे ये पसंद है, so I like this, so I'll start from here. And second thing what we have to do, जहाँ पे आउटसाइड एरिया पे क्या होता है, कई बार हमारा लाइनिंग है वो चला जाता है, राइट? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इरेजर लेके उसको रफ करेंगे. Now what you have to do students, look at this both the sum शेड इट आउट, आई विल गिव यू हाफ मिनट में आप शेड कर लो, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट विल स्टार्ट अदर स्टेप. Okay students, so I hope so first one is completed. Now second one, C1 and D1 will complete, right? Here is a 3/4. 3/4 that means fourth part है, उसमें से 3 parts है, वो हमें क्या करना है, what we have to do, shade करना है. So let's start. Okay, completed. 1/4. Now you also give the answer. What we have to do, students? Only one part we have to shade because of the 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Now look at this, both the sums. Shade it out in your worksheet book. Page number 9, worksheet number 5. I'll give you half an hour. Okay, half a minute. Half minute I'll give you. Okay, students. So we'll start now. Even sum. Even. Now here is a written. What is written here? Circle है, ठीक है. But what is written here? 1/4. So ये जो 4 sides है, उसमें से आप कोई भी sides पे आपको one side पे, कोई भी one side पे what you have to do, shade करना है, ठीक है. So कोई भी one side like this side. So मैं यहाँ से start करूँगी shade करना. भी आप भी क्या करोगे, शेड कर दोगे, ठीक है. क्या करोगे आप लोग, शेड कर दोगे इसको. और जहाँ पे ज्यादा हमें लग रहा है कि आउटसाइड एरिया पे चला गया है, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, विल इरेज दिस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. Next one is 3/4. Next one is a 3/4. So 3 part में हम shade करेंगे, right? Okay, 3/4. Now next one is also 3/4. So again we'll shade it. Okay, 1/4. Shade it out here, 1/4. Okay, now look at this, students. I will give you a 2 minutes. Shade it this fourth shapes, and after that we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, so you have to shade in the worksheet number 5, page number 9. Complete it fast everyone. Okay students, so you know what is the 1/4 and what is the 1/4 हम लोगों ने सीखा, राइट, एंड 3/4 हम लोगों ने सीखा. 3/4 किसको बोलते हैं एंड द 1/4 किसे बोलते हैं. Now today we'll learn about worksheet number 6, page number 10, 1/3 and 2/3. What we learn about today? 1/3 and 2/3. So in that worksheet number 1, shade the following figures as per the fractions written in the block. Now fractions is written in the block. Here is a different shapes are here, right? So what we have to do, जो fractions है उसके according we have to shade the figures. हमारे पास जो figures है उसको हमें shade करना है. So in that 1/3, like that in the 1/4 are there. So in the one shape, one figure, 4 parts are here, and instead of that we have to shade only one part. Why we have to shade only one part? Because of the 1/4 are there. Like that only here is a 1/3. What is the here in the block fractions is the 1/3. So what we have to do, here is a one figure. In that figure 3 parts are here, but we have to shade only one part because of the 1/3. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, 1/3 है. सो हम 1/3 में वन पार्ट में हम शेड करेंगे. ठीक है, हो गया हमारा कंप्लीट दिस वर्क, right? Now 2/3. Now 2/3, 3 parts here in the one figure, 3 parts here, but we have to shade it only 2 parts. Why we have to shade the 2 parts? Because of the 2/3. So that means 2/3 means 2 parts में हमें शेड करना है, 1 पार्ट में हमें शेड नहीं करना है. So we'll shade it. One part is completed. Now we'll complete second one part. Okay. Now look at the shapes and shade it out in the worksheet number 6, page number 10. Both the shapes you have to shade it. I will give you a half minute. Okay students, so start it. Okay, students, so half minutes is completed. Now we'll start next. Next figure. In that figure, three shapes are here. 2/3. 2/3. Now you know what we have to do. We have to shade only two parts. Right? Why we have to shade only two parts? Because of the 2/3. Okay, now next one figure 1/3, so we'll shade only one part. Okay, now students, look at this. Look at both the shapes and shade it out in your worksheet book. Worksheet number 6, page number 10. I will give you half an minutes. Half an minutes में आपका वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So complete it. Okay, students, now next one 1/3 is there. Shade it out only one part because of the कोई फिगर है उसका 3 पार्ट्स है तो उसमें से हमें 1 पार्ट में शेड करना है बिकॉज ऑफ द 1/3. ठीक है? टू थर्ड shade it out 2 parts. Okay, now look at this. I will give you half an minutes. Half an minutes में आप लोग शेड कर लो. After that we'll start next topic. Okay, students, so I hope so your work is completed. Okay, students, so today we'll completed we have to complete it worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. आज हम लोगों ने complete किया worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. Right, in that both the worksheet will learn about 1/4, 3/4. In the worksheet number 5 we'll learn, right? And You also learn about 1/3 and 2/3. You also learn about the 1/3 and 2/3. Now I hope so आप लोगों की वर्कशीट ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो ही गई होगी, राइट? नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सेम थिंग्स यू हैव टू, अगर आप लोगों की वर्कशीट कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है, सेम थिंग्स यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इन योर वर्कशीट बुक. और वर्कशीट बुक अगर कंप्लीट हो गई है, देन यू हैव टू राइट इन द रफ बुक एंड डू द प्रैक्टिस इट. ओके, आप लोगों को क्या करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. एंड होमवर्क है वो बिफोर 3 o'clock यू हैव टू सेंड इट टू मी इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. Also, I will send the worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. So you have to complete it easily. Okay? आप लोग easily इसको complete भी कर पाओगे. That's the reason I will send it in the WhatsApp also. Okay, students. Now next lecture we'll learn about the fractions in the real life situation. Real life situation में हमें fractions कैसे useful है वो हम लोग सीखेंगे. Okay? ओके एवरीवन, सो होमवर्क है वो बिफोर 3 o'clock आप लोग हमें सेंड कर दोगे और होमवर्क है वो प्रॉपरली करोगे और टेबल्स की भी प्रैक्टिस करोगे बिकॉज द टेबल्स इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंस टू अस, सो दैट. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.